This is a Pike Lily White Washita. Pike Lily White Washita. Pike soft, fast cutting grit has its end label. I only discovered the end label when I decided to strip the top so people could get a good look at the top. But here's the top. It's not lapped or chamfered because I don't want to risk the labels because they're very fragile. Anyway, it's on the very bottom. Anyway, the stone is 6 13/16 of an inch long by 2 1/16 of an inch wide, and in the middle of the dish, it's 31/32 of an inch thick. So by the time you lap this to flat and roll the edge, all this stuff will be out of the way, pretty much. That's about it. I did have this stripping in a very shallow pool, but some may well sweat back to the surface in transport because I didn't completely strip the stone, obviously. But Lily White Washita, Pike, thanks.